Lonzo Ball is a magician when it comes to passing. Look at this.
Who is averaging about 6 boards per game. How about that? Wow.
And of course, Zion Williamson catching that crazy pass. I mean, this is shocking when you think about how old they are. They're both below, I believe, 22 years old, making plays like this. Once they build that chemistry, it's going to be crazy. But right here, James Harden, of course, putting the moves on him, pulling up right in his face. Ingram, he can't do nothing, even with that crazy wingspan. And of course, Zion back again, bullying the Rockets. He just can't be stopped, like I've said multiple times, and he's backing it up. And of course, again, James Harden, he just pulls up on anyone, anywhere, any place. It's crazy. And right here, of course, Zion Williamson, he can't be contained when he's in the paint. You can try to stay in front of him, but he'll just go up with ease. James Harden pulls up once again, and Zion back again, going up. Look at this. Zion Williamson has to be averaging 100% in the paint. If not 100%, it gotta be 99. He stays in the paint like he built a house there. Every court, every time he plays, he just buys a house in the paint and he just stays there. And right here, of course, James Harden pulling up once again. And right here, look at Lonzo Ball, another alley-oop to Zion Williamson, making it look so easy. I'm really impressed with Lonzo Ball. His shooting has really improved. And right here, look at Zion Williamson, showing the veteran Russell Westbrook, I know I'm a rookie, but get that out of here. I don't care if you're a veteran, I'm getting that thing out of here. I don't want to see that go in the hoop. And of course, James Harden, once again, at this point, what can we say about James Harden? We've said it all. He can't be guarded. Only way James Harden can be stopped is if he's stopping himself by missing shots. As Zion made that layup once again, and James Harden comes back in once again, taking on Zion Williamson one-on-one. And of course, James Harden once again goes in the paint. They can't stop him. You got to foul him. And if you do foul him, that's not stopping him because he'll go to the line and make them both. And right here, Russell Westbrook, he finds Daniel House Jr. for that dagger. And that's the game.